very good afternoon from here in the centre of Gibraltar. This evening we're going to take a stroll around Gibraltar. A very good morning from here in Gibraltar. A very good morning guys from here in Casemate Square. So a very good evening from me here in Gibraltar city centre, just off Main Street. And what we're going to do this evening is we're going to take a look around Gibraltar. We're going to attend the live music at Governor's Parade. As I said before, we won't do the rock concert. Number one, it's too hectic and too heavy. And number two, I just fancy a slower pace of the day. I've eaten, I've had a massive lunch, I've had a couple of drinks, and now I'm feeling perfect, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to head up past the Skull to Governor's Parade. Let's check out the live music. Come on.
Ooh.
So what did we think of that live music, guys? Absolutely fantastic. Brilliant atmosphere, brilliant show, and it was definitely a fantastic place to go and chill out and have a drink. What we're going to do now is slowly make our way down to the harbour, because it is, of course, the drone show this evening, the first time Gibraltar's done it. So, really looking forward to taking a look at this. Come on, guys.
Thank you for your presence, but above all, we want to invite you to enjoy this unique show. Tonight, you will live an experience that was unimaginable a few years ago. Today, looking at the sky, you will discover a new dimension. Each of the lights taking off is a drone programmed within the set to offer you an innovative and a perfect union between art and technology that is also respectful with the environment and that we're sure will surprise you. Many thanks to the organization for letting us dream in this piece of sky.
So there we are, guys, that was the drone show. Absolutely fantastic here in the centre of Gibraltar. I hope you all enjoyed that, and what a fantastic National Day it has been here. Absolutely brilliant. Loads of crowds, loads of fun, and we've seen so many things going on in the city over the last 24 hours. But from me here in the piazza, thank you for watching as always, guys, and I shall see you all on the next adventure.